Hi guys, this is Peter Sohm with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to walk you through our 2021 Sea Ray 21 SPX outboard. You can see a very nice profile shot of the boat here. This is the black hull with silver graphic. Cool little upgrade there. Much like the 19 SPX, the 21 SPX does come standard with a trailer. This time you will get a dual axle trailer, galvanized. This boat is powered with a Mercury 200 outboard. Climbing up the swim ladder there. As you make your way on, you can see the sea deck on the swim platform and the walkway coming into the boat here. Our ski tow pylon. Very comfy pad here in the lounger, the sun lounger. With the outboard, because we're not utilizing the engine compartment space, you do have a massive amount of storage down there. Great spot for some maybe water toys. Continues over there. This is the stone interior, new for 2020 and 2021. Matching gray infinity woven flooring. Underneath our seat here, we do have a dedicated cooler. Also back here, a very nice insulated cooler as well. So you can shove that with ice, load her up with drinks. This boat does have the bimini top option. You can get a tower on this. We opted for the bimini top, but the SPX line is pretty customizable. Twin captain chairs with thigh-high bolsters on both sides. At our helm here, our 3 gauges across. You can opt for a digital display as well. Again, it's just the customizability of the SPX line. Up here, throttles, nice LED lit cup holders there, really nice locking box there, great spot for your cell phone when you're going out to dinner, whatever you're doing for the day. Our bow seating up there in the front, grab handles, 2 speakers, storage underneath both. It is carpeted, so that's more than likely the spot where you're going to put your anchor. Alright guys, again, 2021 Sea Ray 21 SPX outboard. If you have any questions about this or any other model that we have, feel free to come in or visit us online. Thank you.